everyone. Today I am here at Sultanabad Bridge. I am representing the Academy of Excellence. Today we are here to see a tragic incident that happened 1 month ago. This is a tragic incident that happened from floods. The mountain had floods on it, and due to this, a lot of damages has caused, but not at the bridge. As you can see here, the water is really dirty right now. You can see that there are not that much trees. That's why the flood has started. As you know, why did the flood? You have a question that why did the flood started? The flood started because of melting of glaciers and rainfall in a short time. There's a lot of because of rainfall and melting of glaciers, the water was overflowed. Because of this, seven young people were dead, and water, electricity, and clean water were damaged. As you can see, the effect was not that big, but a lot of houses that were at the side of the river, on the river banks, they got destroyed, and a lot of people, the casualties didn't. There were no people who were dead in this flood. But after yesterday, there was also another tragic incident that had took place. As you know, when the water challenges got affected, there were no water for irrigation and other type of clean water for drinking. Some of the because that people wanted to do it voluntarily, as you know, the government didn't take responsibilities, and due to this, the landsliding took place, and our 7 young people died, and the rest were injured. I think that the government should have took responsibilities and given them a lot of tools to help them. I think that they should have given them safety tools first. And my message to the world is that if not us, then who? If not now, then when? We are the young generation, and we have to take action in this situation. Climate action. Keep the earth safe. Keep safe. Sultanabad is facing a lack of water. Due to this, they don't have clean water to drink or for irrigation. So they work voluntarily. They try to fix the water channels, but because of this, seven casualties happened due to landsliding. I think it is the government responsibility to provide them safety tools and big machineries. Due to this, 7 casualties happened. I think this is a lot of lives, and I think you should stay safe and be protected.
I'm Hanan from the Academy of Excellence here in the Sultanabad Nala to discuss how the flood came. Flood came last month, and it swept all the houses of the river which were near river bank. Unfortunately, it didn't give damage to the bridge, but it swept all the channels of the water, and it swept the houses which were near there. Why it happened? It happened because of the climate change. The climate change rises, and the glaciers melt, and the glacier water slowly come down to the river, and the flood came. This happened because of the climate change. How we can save Gilgit from the future floods? We can build strong river embankments. We can build early warning system and relocate the rises of the community. We can do deforestation, and we can plant trees, and we can plan for the disasters and to prevent them. And we can make strong communities to stop and to tell people, to aware people about the flood, and to tell them why the climate change is happening. What is the government response? Government is doing nothing for the people. When the water channels will break, government didn't give response, so the people of Sultanabad voluntarily started to fix the channel. Because of this, a tragic incident happened. These 7 people are casualty, and 2 are injured. So what is government doing? We appeal to government to fix the water channel so the disaster will not come again. I will give a message to government to fix the water channels, to give water to the people who don't have. Do something, try something, save the world again.
Assalamu alaikum to all of you. This is Sinna reporting live from Sultanabad. I am from the Academy of Excellence Junior Campus in Zulfiqarabad. So I am here in Sultanabad Bridge where a major flood has affected this area. Today we all are here to understand why the flood was happened and what damage it caused and what can be done in the future to stop such disaster. So the first thing was, why did the flood happen? So the flood in Sultanabad happened due to the mixture of natural and human activities, including the heavy rainfall and poor planning about the buildings and glacier melting. So this area has received too much rain in a short time, so which caused the river to overflow. Houses were built so close to the river and the melting of glacier. And the melting of glacier and river overflow might increase the water level. And the second thing is that what damage did the flood cause? So many homes were filled with dirty water, and near the bridge, roads near the bridge were broken, and people lost their important things like houses and furniture. Some animals also swept away by the flood. And the last thing is, how can the flood be prevented in the future? So we have to clean the drains regularly and build proper barriers or walls for our areas, and we have to plant more trees to absorb the rainwater and educate the people on the safety of floods and emergency plans. And we request for the government and local authorities, please take a serious action on it, and we appeal for better drainage system to stop future floods and stronger bridges and flood walls near the river, and educate people on safety of flood. And our people are suffering. We need your support to keep Sultanabad safe. To the public and local community, I have also message for them. Please stop throwing garbage in the drains and rivers. Help your neighbors during emergency and join hands with the government to protect our environment. Save lives. So the flood in Sultanabad was caused mostly by the heavy rainfall and poor drainage for our people. So we have to protect our environment, and we have to stop such throwing garbage in the river. This was Sinnan Ali reporting live from the heart of the Sultanabad. Thank you for giving me your time. Thank you.
Gilgit Baltistan Zindabad, Pakistan Mahindabad.